all, I'm not a baker by any means. Haven't baked anything ever. I want to do any and everything with my daughter just so that she can see that she can do any and everything.
Baking is fun in so many ways. Of course I'd say that because I'm a baker. But it's also a great way to let off some steam. Just take a look. So that's what the dough will look like after it has rested and has gotten bigger. And you know what you have to do next?
It feels cold.
It is cold. You know what you get to do next, which is, and you have to decide amongst yourselves, I'm not gonna be the person who decides, you have to punch it down.
Who's doing that?
You do it, you should have to make sure you get your fist in there. You don't like do it really hard.
You're the strongest one.
You're the strongest one?
So I'm punching this?
So you just take your, just go. Yeah.
Whoa, you should try it.
You just feel it. It feels cool. Yes! That's a punch!
That definitely was a punch.
Yes! So what the yeast does is it essentially blows bubbles in the bread so it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And you ever have bubble gum in your mouth and you stop like having any sugar in it and you're like, I need another piece. This doesn't taste good anymore. Right now, that's how the bubble gum, that's how the yeast is feeling. It's like, I need more bubble gum. You know how you give it more bubble gum that has flavor? You punch it down. You punch it down. It wants more good bubble gum. Do it all. That's perfect.
Get in there.
Ninja punch.